Hey everyone, don't miss out on this deep dive into the life of Big Youth, a reggae legend. Subscribe to the channel for more stories about iconic artists who shaped music and culture. Your support keeps us bringing you content that celebrates Jamaica's rich heritage. Hit that subscribe button now. Manly Augustus Buchanan, born April 19, 1949, in Trenchtown, Kingston, Jamaica, better known as Big Youth or Ja Youth, is a pioneering Jamaican DJ whose 1970s work revolutionized reggae and influenced global music scenes. Growing up in Kingston's tough Trenchtown, he worked as a diesel mechanic at the Sheraton Hotel, where colleagues nicknamed him Big Youth for his charismatic toasting skills. Inspired by U-Roy, he honed his craft on Lord Tippertone's sound system by 1970, catching the eye of producers. His early singles, like The Best Big Youth, Jimmy Redway, and Moving Version, Lee Perry, were modest, but his 1972 collaboration with Gussie Clarke on The Killer marked his first major hit, followed by the chart-topping S90 Skank, featuring a motorbike rev for a Honda ad. Big Youth's distinctive style, blending toasting with singing and Rastafari themes, set him apart. His debut album, Chi Chi Run, 1972, produced by Prince Buster, showcased his unique half-sung delivery and jewel-inlaid teeth, red, gold, green. Albums like Screaming Target, 1973, and Dreadlocks Dread, 1975, cemented his status, with hits like Lightning Flash, Weak Heart Drop, and Marcus Garvey Dread. His music, rooted in black history and anti-violence messages, resonated globally, influencing punk rock bands like The Clash and Public Image Limited. Signed to Virgin's Frontline label, he gained crossover appeal. By the late 1970s, he self-produced on his Nagusa Nagast and Augustus Buchanan labels, often with the Soul Syndicate Band. The 1980s saw reggae's commercial decline post-Bob Marley, with slackness, explicit lyrics, overshadowing Rastafari themes. Big Youth's output slowed, but his 1982 reggae Sunsplash performance and later hits like Chanting, 1990, and Free South Africa kept him relevant. He performed at Sunsplash multiple times, 1983 to 1996, and collaborated with artists like the Wailers on a Nelson Mandela tribute. His sparse touring, backed by the Archangels, delivered powerful shows, with albums like A Luta Continua, 1984, honoring freedom fighters like Marcus Garvey. Living a low-key Rastafari life in Jamaica, Big Youth's net worth is estimated at $1 to $3 million as of 2024, derived from music sales, performances, and royalties. While not among Jamaica's richest artists like Buju Banton, $4 million, his influence is profound, shaping DJ culture and inspiring modern singjays like Tony Rebel. His legacy as a cultural revolutionary endures, blending streetwise lyricism with spiritual depth, making him a cornerstone of reggae's golden era.